Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Courtney with the Flex Financial Trading Group. Just checking in with you guys real quick. A little bit of a down day in the market today. I think investors in Wall Street continue to do some profit taking right now. The market has hit some highs over the last 2 or 3 weeks, and I think investors are still taking profits off the table, especially as we go into earnings over the next 4 to 6 weeks and kind of getting in position, getting prepared to reallocate those funds into some other positions. But only time will tell as to which direction this market is heading overall. So we'll see. And that's why it's important to have a plan in place and follow your plan, have a rock solid plan with rock solid strategies. So that way you can remain profitable no matter which direction the stock market is going, as we tell you over and over again within the Flex Financial Trading Group, right? That's what we do. But really, I wanted to do a quick video. We often get questions from people about our program, obviously, people that are looking to join, people that are on the fence of joining the program, which is understandable. There's a lot of information out there. You got to do your due diligence before you start jumping in on these programs and getting this information that's being shared, right? So wanted to touch on a couple different things as far as the types of people that are successful in the Flex Financial Trading Group versus the types of people that might not necessarily have as much success, right, in our program. So the types of people that aren't successful in our program, and really the types of people that we don't really care to work with in our program, to be honest, is first is people that are not really looking to learn, right? So we got a lot of information in our program. We have a whole video course catalog, hundreds of hours of content at this point, as we upload new videos every week. So there's a lot of information to learn. And we always do our best to make the video short, concise, sweet, to the point, because we know everybody, has other things going on. You just want to get that information and move on to whatever you have to do with your day, right? So that's how we try to structure our videos and just give you exactly what you need to learn so you can move on, right? But if you're not someone that's willing to put in the time and you don't really have that feeling that you really, really want to learn about the stock market, you really want to learn how to trade and invest, if you don't have that and you're just kind of looking for somebody to spoon feed you the information and tell you what to do, then you might not necessarily be the right fit for the Flex Financial Trading Group program, right? The second thing is people are looking to day trade. So we've done our day trading for quite over the years. Kev and I, we've done it for 5-6 years, and we have some great success, and we have some not such great success as well. So there's a lot of inconsistencies with day trading as the market is continuously changing. The strategies that you're using today in day trading might not work tomorrow, right? So there's some inconsistencies there. And then also you get tired of kind of trading your time for dollars. When you're day trading, you're tied to your computer all day. You're monitoring your trades. You have to get out of positions if that trade is not going your way, or you have to do your profit taking if the trade is going your way, and you got to click those buttons to get out of that trade. But either way, you're tied to your computer, you're tied to your desk all day. So that's why we kind of shifted away towards day trading and moved to something that's more flexible. So that way we're not trading our time for dollars and move to a different trading style where we could do other things and still be profitable in the stock market. But if you're looking to day trade, we're the Flex Financial program, although we do trade in our program, we don't necessarily day trade where we're stuck to our computers every minute, every hour of the day, monitoring our trades. So if you're looking to day trade, then the Flex Financial program probably is not the best fit for you. Also, someone that has a gambling mentality. So what we do within the Flex Financial program, a lot of all of our trades and all of the stocks that we invest in over the long term as well, our short-term trades, our long-term investing, it's all calculated, right? So we do our due diligence on the stocks we trade. We do our research. We teach you how to do that. It's not a gambling mentality. We're not going in there with hey, this is going to happen 50-50. We do our due diligence, so it gives us the highest probability to be successful in the stocks that we're putting our money into, whether it's a trade or a long-term hold, right? We don't bring a gambling mentality to that because we want to make sure that we're being smart with our money, right? We have a number of members that work 9 to 5s, that are business owners, entrepreneurs. They work very hard for their money. They don't want to gamble it all away. They want to make calculated risks that are going to give them high probability for having successful results. So if you're looking to just take gambling, have that gambling mentality and just come in here, throw money at stocks blindly and, looking to get rich overnight, then we're probably not the best fit for you in terms of a program to learn from, right? And that brings us to the next point. I just said, if you're looking to get rich overnight, Flex Financial Trading Group is not the best program for you. So within Flex Financial, or within investing in the stock market and our Flex Financial program, we really teach you how to consistently grab money out of the market and reinvest that money into stocks that you want to hold for the long term, right? So a core part of our program is building wealth over the long term. And when I say long term, I'm talking about a 2 to 5 year period, right? So it's not a get rich overnight thing that we teach here. It's really a methodical way to grow your wealth in the stock market over time. It can absolutely happen for you, but you have to be willing to be patient. You have to be willing to learn and willing to make sound decisions on how you invest your money. And we'll teach you how to grow that money over time. We're not a get rich overnight program. That's just not what we do. So those are the people that are not necessarily successful in our program. If you're not looking to learn, you're looking to day trade, you have that gambling mentality, you're looking to get rich overnight, Flex Financial Trading Group's not for you. So let's shift gears and talk about the types of people that are successful in our program. So the first type of person that's successful in the Flex Financial Trading Group program is people that are hungry for knowledge and you're really looking to learn, right? So people that really, really, really want to understand how the stock market works and understand the right way to trade and invest their money. They're really looking to absorb information and learn. Those are the types of people that are successful, right? We're not going to hold your hand through this process. We provide you the information. It's totally up to our members to log into their own accounts and watch the videos and watch the content we upload. Either you want the information or you don't. We supply the information. It's up to you to watch it and apply it to your own trading account in real life. But you got to be hungry for the knowledge. You got to really want to learn the information and how to trade and invest in the stock market, right? The second point, people that are coachable is another type of person that's successful in our program. Although we're not going to handhold you through the process, we are here to coach you, right? We'll meet you halfway, right? So you got to show that you're willing to, that you want to learn, that you want to get this information, and you show us that, and we're going to meet you halfway there and coach you every step away after that, right? We'll give you suggestions, make recommendations. You can ask us any questions anytime that you want in the program, or whatever you're looking at in the stock market, whatever you're struggling with. We're here to coach you, but you have to be coachable. And with our members we have in our program, they can ask us questions on all the video content that they watch. We're always willing to jump on in our video sessions like I'm doing right now with our members one-on-one and help them out with whatever issues and things or questions they have within their account. But again, they have to be coachable, right? The next point is a person has to have discipline and patience when joining the Flex Financial program. So to be a successful trader investor, those are two qualities you have to have, whether you're in the Flex Financial program or not. You got to have some discipline. You got to be able to stay consistent with the strategies and with the way that you're trading and investing your money. You can't get distracted by all the different information out there that's on the internet, all these trading gurus out there and all that. You got to be disciplined in how you're approaching the market and stick to your plan. And then you got to have some patience. I spoke about that before. Overall, when it comes to building wealth in the stock market, it does take some time if you're doing it correctly, right? We're not a get rich overnight program, so you got to have some patience and allow your money to grow as the market makes its moves, right? So you can't monitor your account every day and say, I'm not rich yet. I just made this trade overnight. I'm looking to see if I hit it out the park. You got to be patient. So discipline and patience is key. And then lastly, the important quality in people that are successful in the Flex Financial program is people that are open-minded and open-minded to change in their life, right? So you got to be open to receiving new information. That's one important aspect of being successful in life, right? We don't know everything. You got to come into a program or approach people that you're looking to learn from with an open mind, right? So you got to be open to receiving the information, block out that negative thinking, block out that pessimistic way of looking at things and that negative energy, and just be open to receiving the information, and then you can determine what's going to work for you and what's not. But first and foremost, you got to be open-minded and open to receiving the information, and then you got to be open to change. So when it comes to financials, your money and the financial game, you got to have a certain mentality. You got to be open to change, and that means open to changing your way of thinking about money. You're open to changing your way of thinking about wealth and understanding that it can happen for you, right? So a lot of times we look at other people around us that are doing well financially, and we say, there's something special about that person. they started off ahead of the game, and I'm starting off way back here. That's why they're able to do it. I can't do it, right? So we have to change that way of thinking and that mentality, and change our mindset to understand that it can happen for us. All we need is the right information and the drive and the hunger to make it happen for ourselves, right? And to put that information into action in real life. So those are the key things to be successful in our program. You got to be hungry for the knowledge and want to actually learn. You got to be coachable. You got to have discipline and patience. And then lastly, you got to be open-minded and open to changing your life. If you have those qualities, you'll be a great fit for the program. And those are the types of people, the types of members we have in our program, and the types of people that we want to work with. So again, just wanted to touch on that because we often get questions from people that are asking about the Flex Financial program. Certain people won't be successful in our program, and that's fine. There might be some other programs out there that are better fits for you. And then those type of people that have those qualities that I just talked about, yeah, those are the types of people that do really, really well in our program and the strategies that we teach. And those are the types of people that we really like to work with and help them be successful trading investors in the stock market. So that's it for me. If you guys need some help with your trading and investing, you're looking to sharpen up, if you're already in the market or you're looking to get started, we can help you either way. We have some great strategy in our approach to market called the Flex Financial Approach, where we teach our members how to make guaranteed income, selling cover call options, make consistent money with our volatility trading strategies. Again, it's not day trading. We're not tied to our computers, but it works very well consistently in the market. And then we also show you how to build your passive income collecting dividends and show you how to be profitable whether you have markets like this, where stocks are going down, sideways, or up. It doesn't matter, right? So we teach you strategies to be profitable in any market condition. And then for our beginners that are brand new to the market, we have a completely free program that'll help you get started trading, investing in the stock market. It'll lay that foundation, get you pointed in the right direction. And then once you finish that, then you can get into the more advanced stuff and the trading strategies that we teach. So either way, check us out at flexfinancialtg.com. If you're looking to get started in the program, we'd love to have you. If you're just looking to get started in the stock market in general, for our free course, click the link in this post, or you can click the link in our bio. We'll have it there for you, and you can get started right away watching the videos and learning at your own pace. That's the most important thing, keeping it flexible and give you the information that you need to be successful. So check us out, flexfinancialtv.com, or click the link in the bio. Get started today, and we'll see you guys at Flex University. You guys have a good one. Peace.